Hey, what is up guys? My name is Mario, and on this video we're going to take a look at the spare battery charger that every Note 4 user needs to have in 2018. Let's go take a look. So you're probably wondering, why do I need a spare battery charger? Well, if you have a Note 4 in 2018, you most likely have multiple batteries sitting around because you probably have to replace it already after all these years. So what this gadget is going to allow you to do is basically charge your batteries without having to use your phone. If, for example, I have multiple batteries, what I do is when I'm on the go, I take my phone with me, and the spare batteries that I have that I leave at home, I just usually leave them with the actual battery charger, and when I come back home, the battery is fully charged. What is very neat about this spare battery charger is that it only cost me about $8.50. I know Samsung sells one of the original spare battery chargers, and they can cost you between $30 and $40 depending on where you check, and of course it will come with a battery. I was one of those Note 4 users that I never thought about getting an actual spare battery charger because I didn't know they existed in the past couple of years, or I never really found a use for it. But now that I got it, I found that it's very helpful. I don't have to take the battery out, put the battery in every time just to charge the battery. I can make sure that the spare battery charger is charging my extra batteries all the time without having to worry about swapping the batteries just to charge them up. This particular model that I'm reviewing today is from Elandra, and I got it from Amazon. It is very compact and sleek. The way this works, it has a cover compartment. It allows you to insert the battery, which fits right in there. I tried the different batteries that I use from the original Samsung, and I have an Anker battery, and I have another third-party manufacturer battery that I have, and all the batteries fit right in there. I didn't have any issues closing the lid. Once you put the battery in there, you close the lid and you have it connected. You're gonna have an LED indicator that is gonna tell you the status of the battery. When you first plug it in, you're gonna have a blinking light just to let you know that there was a connection established. While the battery is charging, you're gonna have a red LED light, and when it's fully charged, you're gonna get a green light. One thing that I noticed is that it does take about 4 to 5 hours to get a full battery charge. Some of the batteries that are pretty old, I can get them to get up to 75% with a couple of hours, but getting it from 75% to 100%, it does take a little bit longer. One of the batteries that I have that is pretty old, it basically stays around 75, and it's really hard to get it past that point. Now, the only opportunities that I see with this spare battery charger is that it didn't come with the cables, it didn't come with a wall adapter, so basically I had to get my own. The actual charging port, this is going to use a micro USB port. It seems like it is all the way inside the outer case, so if you're just using a standard cable, the actual end tip may not reach all the way to the end, causing it to come loose, and it's not going to establish a connection all the time. Some people mentioned that they're having a hard time getting this to work, and other people mentioned that it does work, but as soon as you move it, it will actually get disconnected. So what I did is I went out there and I found one cable that I had that actually had a longer end tip, and I had this experience before with a lot of the budget-friendly gadgets that I got from overseas, from China. Some of the charging ports, they don't design them well with the outer case. So sometimes when you put the cable, it doesn't reach all the way to the connections. By using a micro charging cable that actually has a longer end tip, I was able to solve this problem. I'm curious to know, what are your thoughts about the spare battery charger? Do you currently own one? Do you feel there's one out there that is better than this one? Make sure to let us know in the comment section below. If you own a Note 4, consider subscribing to this channel because I want to have a lot more videos coming up. And if there's anything in particular that you guys want to see, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the like button if you enjoyed this content, and I'll see you on the next one.